Today we have an unboxing. And of what? Let's find out. Hopefully it's all in one piece, because the box looks kind of hurt. Yes, it is an electric bike. And what is it for? When we go RVing. It's a foldable electric bike. Hopefully it's all in one piece. It's supposed to weigh like 40 pounds. Just make sure that this is magnets together. And pull it up. This is what it looks like folded. And I will be opening it up in just a few minutes. Here's a quick look. It's the Jetson. I gotta get the Haze, Jetson Haze. Give me a few minutes and we'll come back and do the specs. Alright, you gotta remember on the Haze, it has the wheel lock and it's in, so the tire won't move. I can't move the pedal to get the battery out. Take the key, make sure you unlock it. Figure this out. If it doesn't want to pop out, you're gonna have to play with the tire, because it was caught up on one of the brakes here and it was hard to get out. So as long as you move the tire front and back, it'll pop out. And then just put this cover on so nobody accidentally pushes it in, because if they push it in, you better have the key to unlock it. Let me see if I can put this on without pushing it in. As you can see, it pushes in from that side. Alright, so the battery slipped right out. And I'm gonna have to pick this thing up. And there's a kickstand, straighten it out. Here's another box here. Let's see what's in here. Of course, there has to be some more parts. Let's see what it is. And what's in the box? The pedals, the battery charger, the air pump, and some tools. Oops, sorry. Pedals, tools, battery charger. And where's my key? Alright, I'm going to cut off the handlebars. There's another one here, and this is for the what is this for? Oh, this is for the clamp. When you put the bike together in one piece, closes it up. Battery should be right here. There's the battery. Let me pull it out, see if it's charged. I'll pull this up, I guess. And I'm probably gonna press something I can't see. Oh, there's a key. Alright, let me get the key and then I'll pull the battery out to charge it. So the battery, the key is tied to the handlebars. Let me go ahead and take them out so we can charge the battery. And then the battery, like I said, it's in here. like I always say, it's a pain in the ass to do one-handed. Release the battery. And I'm gonna have to put it down to get the battery out. Now you probably want to see it, but lock it there where the battery goes. So it looks like, take the handlebars, pull it up. Same thing, lock it into place. And then, so it came in that bag, air pump. They have left and right, so you don't put them on the wrong side. Charger, chillers, and a seat. We'll go ahead and put these on. These have a little clip where you can bend up so they're not sticking out. This is the right one. So, I'm going on the right side. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it. Let's see, right here, you pull this in, and it goes up. So they're not sticking out when you fold the book. Get the left one. L stands for left. Same thing, put it on. Alright, and then the seat, open up the clamp. Slide this in. Just gotta be careful. See, it'll hit the shut. Well, this one doesn't hit it. See how low you need it? Just the top two. But I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it here for now. Close it up. And then I'm going to adjust the top piece. So it looks like I'm going to have to get the tools, charge the battery, air pump, and it comes with this little thing here.